Hi, I'm Adriana with Shoppers Beauty Pros, and today I'm going to show you this gorgeous fall look with some of my favorite products. I really like the Fit Me Matte and Poreless because it's super long wear, does not move throughout the day at all, and doesn't transfer. This is the perfect palette for fall. It has all the colors you'll need. I feel like yellow is such an underrated color. It's clearly one of my favorites. I always like to pull my eyeshadow just outwards because I have hooded eyes. It just opens up the eye a little bit more. This mascara is an easy way to skip false lashes. I always like to start my blush just at the center of my eye and then blend it outwards. I'm using a gold highlight for this look because it blends really well with the yellow eye. I apply highlighter on the cheekbones, on the nose, and on the inner corner. If you want a vampy lip, this is the perfect shade. So that was my fall look with some of my favorite products. Let me know what your favorite products are. See you later.